Hi everyone, this is Steven from the Boss Life Project. Welcome to this video review of Recession Rich. Recession Rich is a digital product that you'll be able to access right after your purchase, and that will teach you how to take advantage of the opportunity of a decade that is the upcoming recession. You'll learn how to convert every dollar in your pocket into tens or even hundreds of dollars during this recession. Below this video, I've put a link to this product review page, which I've put, if you scroll down, I've put a video of the creator of Recession Rich, which basically will go through all the detail of what Recession Rich is all about. So I recommend you that you click the link below the video to access this product review page and go through this video to learn more about the details of the program. The price of Recession Rich is actually selling at $97, and it includes all the following products. It includes the Understand Recession, which will help you to learn how recession affects the world and what are the mechanisms that occurs during a recession and how they will create incredible opportunities for you to profit from. You'll get the Investing in Recession, which will allow you to master the art of investing in global financial crisis. You'll also get investing in secret assets, which are actually 4 different secret assets investment opportunities that will arise during the upcoming recession that could possibly yield very huge return on your investment. And finally, you also get the top 10 asset picks of the product creator, which are basically assets that you must keep an eye on during the upcoming recession, because they could very well give you a high return on your investment. So on top of that, at Boss Life Project, we've included also all these bonuses. So if you click on the link below to access my product page, and you actually click on these green buttons that are anywhere on this page, and you buy Recession Rich through this link, you'll access, on top of all the products that are included in Recession Rich, you'll also get all the Boss Life Project bonuses. So bonus number 1 is Recession and Investing Plan for 2020. You'll also get a beginner step guide to how to invest in the stock market in 2020. We'll give you our top 5 best investment app that you should be using. And finally, 6 investing habits that'll probably change your lives like you did for others. So all these bonuses on top of what's included already in the Recession Rich project all are yours if you actually click the link below the video to access this product review page and buy your copy through this link here on these buttons. So if you click on one of these buttons, it will bring you to the Recession Rich sales page, which you can then enter your information and buy Recession Rich. And all your bonuses will be available instantly after your purchase, and they'll be accessible at the bottom of your receipt. So as you see here at the bottom of your receipt, there'll be a bonus section button. So just click on this button and you'll get all the bonuses that we're giving out at Boss Life Project. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my review and my bonuses, and talk to you soon.